In this video we show you how to communicate. There are three different ways of communicating. One is to send an email to byuhonlinesupport@gmail.com. When you have a technical problem, they can help you. If you send it to your tutor, they might send it anyway to the support people, but that's okay either way. But just to remind you, the email address is byuhonlinesupport@gmail.com. That should be presented in your classes too. But when you sign on to Instructure, you'll see always at the top of the page a few things. You'll see your inbox, and you'll see this feedback button. Now, the feedback button this will only send information to the people who make this website, Instructure, or they call it Canvas now. If you click on the feedback button, this does not go to your teacher, it does not go to your tutor, it does not go to BYU Hawaii Technical Support, it will go to Canvas Technical Support. So if you do have a problem, let's say for example the videos are not playing for you, you're clicking on them and they just won't play, they won't load, something like that, where something is broken on the class website, it is okay. So or let's say for example you're in a quiz and it says look at the image and then answer the question, but the image it doesn't even show to you, you don't see an image, then there's something broken. Then you click on the feedback, you click on problem, and you say the video is not working. Be specific. Is not playing on this page. Tell them what the page is exactly, and then make sure you put your email address in. And anyway, and then send the feedback. So you give them specific examples and whatever it is, and then you click send feedback. I'm not going to do it now, but that would send it to Instructure, or they call it Canvas now, but the company is called Instructure, as you see there. So that's sending it to Instructure. Inbox is for sending it to your teacher or tutor, or even to communicate with other students. You click on the inbox, and you should do this every time you log in to see what messages you've got. So you see that you have messages. You can click on sent messages to see what you've sent, but these are your messages. And then you click on write a message, and I've got loads of classes, but if you're just in one class, let's pick one. And then if you've got 3 classes, it will ask you to choose which one you're picking to send information to. You click select recipients, if I can say it right, and then you can either click on select teachers, and if you select teachers, anybody who is a tutor or a teacher will be checked. So there's online support, and I don't know why that's the only one checked, and then me, because I'm actually assigned as a teacher in this class. So that will do that, or you can just specifically find the one you want and check them. So I've added those. I click on add recipients. So it's these two recipients. I make it a subject. So be specific about your subject. What is it about, and then type your message. Then the teacher and the tutor will get these messages. Do not use the feedback button to send a message to your teacher or tutor. And then if you've got a problem, you can put it here, but it would be faster if you send it to BYUH Online Support. People look at that website more often. The tutors, they come in once a day or once every 2 days as they do their 20 hours per week, and they might not see it for several hours. But we almost always have somebody watching the support. We're trying to get to a point where we have 24-hour support. We don't right now, but we do our best. So as fast as we can, we will try and help you if you've got a problem, if you send it to the email address byuhonlinesupport@gmail.com. But anyway, when you're ready, you click on send message, and that will send the message to these 2 people. And that's how you do it, and that's how you communicate in the classes. Like I said, there's 3 ways: the email address for technical problems, the inbox when you've got questions to the teacher or tutor, and the feedback button if you want to send a problem to Instructure. And by the way, if you have an idea, or if you want to give them a compliment, you can, but if you have an idea about something that will make their website better, and make it flow better, then you can also tell them that too. That's communication.